position though. Price is pushing, my friend. Oh shit, these accounts are not linked, bruh.
Oh, you unlinked them yesterday?
Yeah, I forgot about them shits. Ain't nothing though. Do it real quick. We good. We are good, my friend.
What would be a good sell entry for y'all?
Shit below 3.5.
Either that, I don't know. I might go boomerang, possibly.
What's
But
that?
I'm not sure.
What's going boomerang?
This mean when the candle break and it close back inside that bitch again. Oh shit.
Hey, I ain't gonna hold you. When I'm on my computer, I'm gonna need y'all to help me set up like how to show me how to.
I got my entry set.
Order filled.
I'm tapped in a long position here.
I just put mine. I just
got tapped in.
I'm break even.
break.
Hopefully we push through this shit. Yeah. Same.
Y'all saying shit at the same time and shit.
I'm actually gonna push mine up some. This look good. Hopefully we get through that bitch though, for real, for real. You got a lot of momentum. I'm gonna bring mine up into profit now. I'm locking in 200. My TP would be super close to getting hit. However, I moved it, so yeah.
Order filled.
I got tapped out in profit. It didn't hit my TP yet anyway, but it tapped me out. It probably would have, but that's cool with me.
Yeah, I got tapped out too.
It's probably gonna keep going though.
I'm still in this position.
Ooh, nah, that bit would have stopped me out of break even. Damn.
The fact that I had, see, that's that shit, bro. I had my profits up in 220 in the profit. It only gave me 170, bro.
Wow.
Shit retarded.
Yeah.
This shit about to reverse all the way back.
Yeah, it look like a potential sell.
Yeah, I'm damn near about to get tapped in.
I'm trying to see.
I would get tapped in if we break below this hourly zone right here.
At 346 of it. That's why order.
Yeah, I might take another trade.
Order filled.
I'm in a sell position here. Let's see if we can push down. Go take out some sell side.
Damn, if they let me, he got down.
Yeah, like,
Oh, shit. So I might be another account. Yeah.
Order filled.
I got tapped out of that one.
don't want me to get in.
I'll take it again though, to be honest. I like it. It look good.
I can get this entry. I'm good on the Express. That'll be my one trade for the day.
Throw that bad boy.
Order filled.
I got tapped back in again. For sales.
Yeah, my stops. I put my stops low. My shit like at 340. It's about to die.
I'm break even.
Good shit.
Order filled.
Damn, bro, that bitch came back on me.
That is
It's
crazy.
fucking around with this little 15 minute. It's like an hourly and 15 minute
Yeah,
little
if we can
support.
get back under here. Yeah, see. I like the trail on that.
Honestly, my hourly
Order filled.
way too low.
I tried sales again.
It's also lose at 9:45, so it could.
Damn, yeah. That could be the thing. See? Fuck. That'd be happening when you be rushing, bro. You goddamn be forgetting shit. I definitely forgot about the news. This might be an L then. Because this shit might just be an indecision candle, potentially. If this don't go right here. Hopefully I can get it to go break even again. That'd be nice. If we can get back under this hourly level again, then I'll go break even immediately. Because I don't want to get caught in that. Might need to wait. If I get the chance. Let's see.
Yeah, this hourly zone right here holding up pretty fucking strong.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm probably about to get stopped out.
I just took off my sale limit for this shit because I don't know. I don't think it's about the YM buying back into the range, but YM don't got no volume right now.
I might take another one if we get a flip though. I might add on to that. If we get a flip of this candle without stopping me out, I'd add actually.
Order filled.
Nah, it stopped me out. So I'm down 2 on that account. This candle is, so it is an indecision candle, bro. I wish I had thought about that. I forgot about that shit, bro. The fucking news. I mean, the 930 candle's probably gonna be some shit.
Yeah, 935 could come in and start moving a little bit.
Yeah.
I don't know. But like I said, it's news at 9:45, and then we got news again at 10. But it's just home sales.
Heard. That's that PMI shit. We're gonna see what this 935 candle do then.
Yeah.
Still like
Might
it.
just be a day where we gotta sit on our hands for real. On my drawdown account, I made 174 though, so that's cool.
I'm gonna lose 4/5 today on this one just because this account is. I got some room to play with that account, so.
I took 2
We'll go
trades.
for
My
a fifth.
first one, then lost the second one, so I'm down 115. But I'm done on that one.
Yeah, I'm locking most of my shits. Cause shit, I'm not trying to give too much money back. We already got pretty nice. See no reason to do that.
I just think it's gay that they tried to hold me on this $200. Luckily, it was on the account that I already got 5 winning days on, so it ain't like I'm pressed for that shit.
I'm about to get sat back in sales, I think.
Order filled.
Yeah, I'm tapped in sales. If this shit dropped without stopping me out, I'm adding.
Order filled.
Yeah, my sell limit is at 340, so if they decide to come down here and tap me in, then cool.
Hopefully I can go break even on this.
But they keep rejecting from this little 15-minute
Yeah.
little 15-minute support. That's why I put it below it, because I want to see it break through that shit before it get me in for real.
Order filled.
Got me out again, bro. Break even. It just, I like it under the hourly. Just it's playing like that.
Yeah.
I want to make sure I ain't there.
Set up the way I got it, because I'm like, bro, I didn't see they reject off this hourly too many times now. So if it
Order
come all the way
filled.
down there and tap me in, hopefully it go with enough momentum to continue on. But it's like I'm playing my stops is gonna be kind of not wide, but like.
Order filled.
Let's see. I got type stops on this now. Hopefully we start flooding. Need this motherfucker to
Yeah,
get
if we
go.
get a closure below this motherfucker on this candle, it'll look good.
Yeah. This kind of got a wick in y'all's?
On the 5.
Order filled.
On the 1. On the 1, nah, it don't got
Order
no
filled.
wick to the downside on the 1.
Oh. Fuck. Yep, that count got stopped out for the day, so I'm down 466 on that account. But I feel like it's gonna start dropping now. This candle don't got no wick, bro. I tried to get that entry. That would have been a fucking top tick entry, bro. I tried to catch it. I would have been deep in profit already off that, but it just don't go like that some days. Yeah, now it's falling. Damn, that would have been a good ass entry to have, bro.
That shit just tapped me in.
Fuck. All right. So now that the trading day is over, I kind of want to just go over my thought process and then kind of explain to you guys why I took more trades on that one account by itself. And then what it was exactly that I was also just looking at when I was targeting take profit and whatnot, right? Like why I entered the trades that I entered. So we'll do a quick breakdown first, right? So the first trade that you saw me take was a long position, the one that I got to win on majority of the accounts, which was somewhere like right here. and then it got stopped out like in profit, I think like right there or something like that. Now that trade I was risking only 12 points, so it was like right at a 1-to-1, a little bit under a 1-to-1. I was risking 250, ended up making 234, I think, on those accounts, whatever. So a little bit right under the 1-to-1. However, I'm cool with securing the winning day as well. I was hoping to let it actually run past this TP that I had set because of the momentum that came in once we got to this hourly zone. It looked like we was gonna break through it, which if you rewind the last few days, every hourly zone that we went through, it went through with a lot of momentum and price kept running. So we had a nice opening breakout. Today just wasn't that day. I think specifically because of news, and in the video you kind of hear me talk about it like, oh dang, I forgot that we had news. Because usually if you have news around 9:45 or 10 a.m., specifically 9:45, the market open can be kind of wacky or choppy or whatever, right? It kind of won't move to how it normally would with a regular breakout. So what ended up happening, right, was first, I don't know if you guys were paying attention, but I like to mark out the 9:25 candle. So I'm gonna take this off real quick, and we can actually get rid of the hourly zones now. We don't need to have that one to the top or to the upside. We do have previous day highs sitting up here, which would have been another target, and then we have another target at 422. So I was actually thinking we could long up there. I think price was already in the uptrend. From the 4 hour, was I looking at YM when I saw the uptrend? I'm not sure exactly, but the Top Step X platform is kind of moving funny, so I'm not about to play around with it like that, whatever, right? So anyway, what ended up happening was I had these zones marked up. Now, the type of entry you'll hear in the video me talk about that I took today was a boomerang entry. Basically what a boomerang entry is once the candle breaks that 925 candle range, so we'll have from right here to right here, right? So this candle is going to, this right here is going to represent the 925 candle. I like to place a array at either end of that candle, and once price breaks that candle, retraces back inside the body of that 925 candle and then breaks again, I have a limit order placed right up under it to tap me in the trade. I call that a boomerang entry. It's just something that I noticed a while back whenever I was trading and doing back testing, and it's a type of entry that I use to get in the trade, and it's been pretty good for me as part of my strategy. If I don't use that, then I just use a simple breakout through a zone. So for 5 minutes I didn't really have a good 5-minute zone that I liked for a support or a resistance to be broken, so I was just going off the hourly for sell side if I wasn't going to use the boomerang. And then buy side, I figured I would have to get in a lot early because buy side was already right here by the zone, by the hourly zone for buy side or whatever, right? So what ended up happening was once price broke to the downside, it reversed. Now I've seen it do this a lot of times, enough to the point that I know if price breaks to the downside first and then it comes back and breaks the other end of the 925 candle, it is likely going to continue in that direction, and it did, and you saw it push through with a lot of momentum. So as soon as I seen price reversing, I went ahead and placed my buy side limit right here, which you saw in the video. I've done this countless amounts of time, been trading NQ for a really long time, so I have a good understanding of how it moves. And then about 90 to 95% of the time when price does that, whatever direction it breaks, after it's already broken a direction, it's going to push in that direction afterwards. So once I seen that, I just went ahead and had my limit set because there's no reason for me to try to get up here when I can catch more of the move. And I'm fine with risking that. I was only risking 12 points, being $250. So once it happened, ended up going into profit. And me, I'm just cool with securing a winning day. I have 4 winning days now, so I need 1 more winning day, and I can request another payout on these accounts. So I'm gonna go show these real quick, just so you can see. Yeah, this week has been pretty green. I requested a payout last week from this account, so I didn't trade that Friday after I requested a payout, and I wanted to start fresh for this week. So we had 4 winning days. We'll see if I can get a winning day tomorrow on that account. This account I just got yesterday, and I got another winning day, so I need 3 more. This one, I need 1 more winning day on this account as well, 4 winning days. And then this account also needs 1 more winning day, so we're at 4 winning days on this account as well. As you can see, pretty consistent and just taking it real chill, you know. So I'm locking in the winning days, and I happen to get stopped out in profit, but I'm fine with that because it's across multiple accounts, so I'm still able to take out a good amount of money when it happens. However, on this account today, I did get stopped out and I lost more than I would have liked. You even saw me move my stop loss limit because I was willing to take another trade, simply because this account is ready for a payout. As you can see in the top left, I do have 5 winning days on this account, just going back to this month, which was pretty shit last month, right? For this account specifically, but And for this going for this month, the account is ready for a payout. I have 5 winning days. I just haven't taken a payout on this account yet because it's not where I would want to take a payout. I feel like I need at least $2,000 or more to request at least $1,000 out of the account, especially since now it's a 90% profit split that I get. So I was trying to get the account up more basically, which is why I was willing to take another trade on this account, which is something that I said I was going to do last night anyway, going into today. Which I could have just walked away with the dub and the account was already at 1,000 or something like that, and then came back tomorrow and look for a better trade, right? But it just didn't happen like that, and I ended up losing on this account, which I'm fine with. Overall, in totality today, I think I'm still up $463 across all accounts, so it's still a winning day in my eyes. We just lost on this account, and that's just part of the game, right? That's just how it goes sometimes, especially with copy trading. You have the power to kind of like play around with it. So what happened was, after I got stopped out of this trade, price came back down again. And once I saw it get under this hourly zone, which is right here, I ended up taking another sell position, and I think I ended up losing that position. I took some break evens, and then I finally got stopped out. It was one position where I saw that price did not have a wick. So whenever a candle doesn't have a wick and it's approaching the 13, I like to use that as the entry criteria as well, because I already used the EMA, the 13 EMA rejection as an entry, which the 13 EMA is going to be this red squiggly line that I use. If I see the candle approaching the 13 as we're already going in a certain direction, so we was already in a downtrend, price started retracing back up to the 13 and it didn't have a wick on that candle. So as soon as I seen that, I went ahead and tried to take another position and literally just didn't have enough room or margin or whatever, and the trade immediately got stopped out, as you saw in the video. However, price literally after I got stopped out, price reversed, and I would have at least been able to get some profit back, or that could have been a potential win. So I like to use that also as entries, like if we don't have a wick on the candle or something like that, going in the uptrend or downtrend in respect to whatever the trend is going and what you're looking for, you can use that as an entry as well, because usually price will come back and target that, which another entry, or not entry, but another TP that I had set would have been further down here, indicated by this yellow line. So when the candle doesn't have a wick, I'll use a yellow line. That's just color coding how I like to do. So if you go to the 4 hour, this candle did not have a wick, so in my mind, price likely could come down and take this out. However, that didn't happen. It actually looked like price is about to run to the upside, potentially take out previous all-time highs or whatever, right? Yeah, we definitely hitting the other end of the range now. But yeah, that's just kind of the thought process that I had, really. And no, I wouldn't say I tilted today or anything like that. I was fine losing what I lost, and I was willing to take trades to either gain or lose that, and that was fine with me. So I wouldn't say it was tilt or anything. It just literally was, I was trying to get a payout today on that account if I could have locked in a bigger win. And you even saw, I think I went in with like 20 cons at one point, just because I was trying to catch a big win, and it didn't happen. But I was fine with losing that money, so I'm not mad at all that I lost today on this account, like whatsoever. It's still a green day. I was fine with losing that simply because I know I have 4 wins racked up on other accounts that I've already taken payouts from last week. So literally last Friday, I requested $3,000. Tomorrow's Friday. If I'm able to lock in another one today, I'll request another $3,000. So it's like, you kind of like, I look at when trading, I look at it kind of like a game of chess almost, especially since you have multiple accounts. You have to be able to like send accounts out there to do like different things or whatever. Like this account, I know I can play around with this account more because I still have a lot of room in the account. I think I still got probably like over $1,000 to draw down. I got $1,500 to draw down in this account still. So I can lose some money on this account. And on top of that, the account is already payout eligible. So if I am to go in there and take that risk and catch a big win, then I'll be able to request a payout today. However, that could happen tomorrow or it could happen next week. I don't know yet. It just depends on if I catch a big win, which it does happen every now and again. It just depends on what I'm doing and how I'm treating the account. Same thing would have went for this account that now has 3 days, right? I was willing to, if I wasn't gonna trade that payout account, I could have traded this account because this account still has $2,000 worth of drawdown in it as well. So I'm fine with like losing on this account because it's nowhere near my zero line and I'm not worried about blowing the account or anything. So those are different things you should think about whenever copy trading or how you treat your accounts. They can be used in multiple different ways and it can help your psychology when trading, because like I said today, I don't feel bad at all about losing. That's just a part of the game. Overall, I'm still up on the month. Overall, on the day in totality, I'm still up. It's just that one account took an L, and that's fine with me, and that's okay. So it's just different things like that. You got to be mindful of and think about whenever trading, because most of it is about 80% mental and 20% what you actually do on the charts or the actual trading aspect of it. But yeah, outside of that, man, I don't really got anything else to say. Yeah, the trade was to play out exactly how they did tomorrow or how they did today, like with the movement. I take the same exact trade again because I won on that trade or they're using that same setup before with the breakout at an hourly zone. So not mad at it at all. But yeah, outside of that, I really got nothing else for you guys. So until next time, on the Better Living.